yesterday some records for that date in places like...
How is it out there, Bubba?
Nice. Go out and shovel. Ready? Are you ready?
And coastal flood warnings for the entire tri-state coastal area as well. We're going to continue to track it. We're going to update the latest snowfall amounts for you. We'll have the 10 o'clock temperature readings, wind chills.
Big false alarm that kind of a cell phone about 1 hour. Well, that's cookie.
I didn't look outside yet, Rob. The cake. You want to do it? Show me outside. Here we go for the first time. Let's make it foggy a little bit.
Baby was confused.
What's it look like out there? What's up? Can you see?
Figure out why you can't get out.
Baby, what's out there? Baby, hey. What's outside? Huh?
You can't get outside? What's the matter? Oh, because the snow got you blocked. Poor baby.
Did they have to... It's a blizzard out there. We don't want to go out. Drifting snow everywhere. It would be higher than this, but Bubba changed the shoveled half of it off already. Show them the big mountain. Open the gate.
The Melanson, Vicente Mountain.
Look at how high it is. What's up, Pat? What's up?
I should have opened it.
Wait, Pat Day. Yeah, Nook?
What do you have to say? What did you write here?
The first time I saw you, Bob.
What? Hey, ready? Let's go. Let's go. Follow me.
Oh, I'm going to cry.
Well, Ryan, leave by this door.
Candy from Pepsi. I put strawberries, yes. That's very nice.
Holy mackerel. It's cold out there.
Mm-hmm.
Whew. I can't even get there, it's too cold.
Okay.
We'll get some more shots later, Bubba. What'd you say, Bubba?
I retract my statement. Don't show it.
Ryan, get Davis taking a bath now and turn it off.
Oh, he jumped off his porch.
Ryan, come here, get this.
Oh, that looks good.
Did you want pepper?
All right.
Whoa, how can we get a delicacy, Bubba?
Delicious.
Chris, come back for a second.
Look at that.
How'd you
I
guys
think
do?
that's like
What are you doing in there? Huh? Oh. I'm gonna show this to all the birds.
And the squirrels, they go laughing at him. In the trivia box.
Then I'll put him down on the table there. We'll watch him. See if he stays.
What, in the dining room?
Yeah.
Living room?
There he goes.
good show.
It doesn't matter, see how you know I want to do something, even on goals and goals and goals.
It's hard to imagine you get this number under $100. It really is.
Nice weight to it.
It is
You get it right now, $8, $9 and change.
Ah,
Welcome, Happy New Year.
baby. Oh.
Happy New Year.
Nice.
It says state of emergency in Orange County. Unauthorized vehicles allowed on the roads.
Really?
And the next All-American trivia question is, can a fat cat fit in the trivia box?
Hey, dude.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Full,
Is this all gold? That's beautiful. How do you grade? Great.
Sounds perfect.
It's going to be on Flex Day?
$119.
No way.
Let's see if we can get in that belly of his.
There's no price up.
Too thick.
People know.
That belly's too thick, Davis.
Wait till last minute.
Hey. Oh.
You want to ask Beth if she has any film before I start shoveling? To the backyard there?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, camera.
Oh.
Is he up yet?
Another 80 people on the phone line. Play special.
Right, you have any film to your camera?
Look at solid. All this, yours.
Right.
$99. 99. And all you need for first pay by Flex Pay. $29.
You don't want to be bothered.
Wow.
Flex Pay. Bangle.
Enough of him.
99. Michael Anthony.
Then we'll get some of you.
Guarantee. 130 more people on the phone line.
The snow on the window over there.
Do you feel
on
like
the
we're back in
TV.
business
But
now?
completely, yes. And I tell you, we haven't seen the blue thing special since before you left.
I ain't that much,
So
Pat.
it's back, and boy, you got to, you couldn't even, there's no way you could have found a better one.
Life,
No way.
how many of you have
What?
a bracelet that's lifetime guarantee? You go to all your major stores right now.
It's really 1:30, right, Bubba? Or is it 12:30?
Mm-hmm.
What time is it? 11:30. That's it. It's 11:30, Bubba.
Brian, look at the white out at the window. Hurry, get Larry Meredith.
That's the biggest drift you can ever see.
Sharon, we're ready to start plowing. Right.
All right.
All right, you want to start plowing in front?